Hey guys, it's Rachel here from Gluten Freedom, and today I'm cooking up a creamy Mediterranean pasta using one of my favorite brands, chickpea pasta. It's high in fiber and high in protein, 23 grams per box here, and it only contains 2 ingredients, organic chickpeas and lentils. It's one of my go-tos, super healthy, naturally gluten-free, and vegan-friendly. I've got some of my most favorite flavors and ingredients here today. I've got some black olives, I've got some cherry tomatoes, which I'm gonna roast up with these bell pepper and onion, and then I've got a secret ingredient to make the pasta creamy that is actually dairy-free. Let's start prepping my veggies that I'm gonna roast. So I've just got an orange bell pepper here for a nice pop of color. Just going to quarter that, and then I'm gonna slice up some of the red onion, just thinly here, and then some cherry tomatoes. I've got the oven preheating to about 400 right now, so I'll pop these in when I've got them cut up, and we'll roast them for about 15 to 20 minutes with a little bit of avocado or olive oil, whatever you prefer. So while the veggies are roasting in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, I've got a pot of water boiling with a little bit of salt in it. And I'm going to toss my pasta in there, and the timing should be perfect for it all to be tossed together at the very end. All right, so my veggies are roasted. We've got a nice golden color to them. I'm also going to just take my peppers that I had roasted and just like chop them up finely, along with the olives and the basil that I've got as well, just so that everything is little bite-sized nibbles. So now I'm going to just add it to the pan as well, that I've got the balsamic and red onion going in. Toss that in. Then basically from here you can just toss in all of the remaining ingredients. I've got all of the pasta that I cooked up. I've strained it. And then I'm gonna toss in my greens. I've got a bit of spinach here. And then some fresh basil. It smells really nice and aromatic. And then last but not least, my super secret ingredient to make this dish creamy without adding any sort of dairy product is hummus. It'll give the whole dish a nice creaminess without that dairy. Just stirring up the pasta, it's heating up. The hummus is mixing in nicely. The spinach is wilting. And I'm just gonna garnish it also with some of my favorites, some really beautiful sprouts, just for that added freshness. It's so beautiful, look at that. Let me dig in. I'm gonna take my first bite. It's amazing. Super creamy, super flavorful, and of course, naturally gluten-free. Hope you guys enjoy.